Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I deep condition my hair. My hair is freshly washed. You want to deep condition on freshly washed hair. You can see it's still dripping some water. I'm going to be using the Sunny Isle Deep Treatment Mask, this one. Yeah. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my custom oil mix. I'm going to be using a mixing bowl to mix them in. I'll be using a shower cap. I'll also be using this ear muffs for when I get in the steamer. And that's all. So let's get to it. I forgot to add earlier on that you're also going to need butterfly clips just to hold the sections apart like this when you're applying. So yeah, so I'm applying this now to the first section. It's important to like rake your fingers through and try to spread the product evenly through the section all the way to the ends. I'm going to repeat the same process. This is the last section. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat the same thing there. I'm just going to make sure I cover the hair. You want to take time to apply like extra on the ends. Like I always say, whatever you apply twice as much on your ends because like they're the most vulnerable part. So Then I'm just going to put all the extras around my edges like this. And then I'll proceed to cover my hair with my shower cap. So I'm gonna go in the steamer now for about 30 minutes. If you don't have a steamer, you can come to the salon to have it done, or you can, go to any salon close to you and have a steam done. You can use a wet or a dry steam. I'm using a wet steam. So that will help your hair to open up and like absorb the products better. So yeah, that's the routine. I'm just gonna go steam and then I'll rinse this off. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you loved it. And if you try it out, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you and bye.